Biryani ke dasar jadi madola. Biryani is an emotion.
Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Everyone has their own recipe for biryani. It's one of those dishes that varies from state to state, region to region, and even home to home. Today I'm sharing my favorite biryani recipe, the one I always fall back on when I have guests over. My friends absolutely love it, and trust me, this is the easiest biryani recipe ever. When I started cooking 12 years ago, I learned my first biryani from Vachif on vareva.com. Over the years, I have made a few changes to suit my taste and style, and this version has become my go-to favorite. So let's see how to make this easiest chicken biryani. So for this recipe now we are going to prepare the onions. We are not going to fry the onions, we are just going to salt them. So in a pan we will take 2 tablespoons of ghee. We will add thin sliced onions. I've taken 6 big onions here. So we will add some salt to this and 2 teaspoons of sugar. And we'll saute them on medium heat until the onions are nice golden brown. We can add more ghee if needed. And this step actually gives the biryani its rich flavor. Next we will marinate the chicken. I am using here 700 grams of chicken. So to the chicken we will add the sauteed onions. We will add next 3 to 4 green chilies. Handful of coriander leaves and mint leaf. Next we'll add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon chicken masala and 1 tablespoon biryani masala, 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then we are going to add the whole spices, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks. We will add 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom, and 1 star anise and few cloves. Next we will add 1 tablespoon of lemon, 1 cup of curd and 1/4 cup of oil and salt to taste. And then we are going to give a good mix to all this. We'll mix everything nicely with our hand. We are going to leave this chicken for at least 3 hours, or for the best flavors it's better to keep overnight. Prepping the chicken the night before is a lifesaver, especially when you're having guests at home. But today we are going to keep it for 3 hours. We will cover with a foil and let it rest. Next for the rice, for this recipe we will be using the jeera rice. So I've taken here roughly 600 grams of rice. We need to wash the rice nicely and then soak it for at least 20 to 30 minutes. After soaking, we'll drain the water. In a vessel, we will add water. The water should be at least 3 times the quantity of rice. To this, we will add the whole spices. Next, we will add 1 teaspoon of ghee. And we will add salt to this. The water should taste slightly salty. Now, once the water comes to a boil, we will add the soaked rice. Now we will let the rice cook until it's 70% done. You will know the rice is 70% done when you are able to break the grains in half with your fingers. So at this stage we will drain the water completely. Rest of the rice is going to be perfectly cooked with the chicken. Now in a heavy bottomed vessel we will spread the marinated chicken evenly at the bottom. Next we are going to layer the half-cooked rice over the chicken. Now for the flavors we are going to add some fresh coriander leaves, fresh mint leaves. Sprinkle generous amount of cashews and raisins. Add 3 tablespoons of kesar milk on top. And finally we are going to squeeze some lime. Now we are going to cover the vessel with a foil or a clean cloth and then place the lid on top. Now we are going to cook this on high flame for about 5 minutes. Then we are going to reduce to medium flame and cook for 10 minutes. Finally, we are going to place a tawa on the stove and place the vessel on top and cook on low flame, that is in sim, for about 30 minutes. It is good to keep some weight on top of the lid so that we trap the steam and cook the chicken and rice evenly. Now, cooking on low flame over a tawa ensures slow and even cooking without burning the bottom. After cooking on low sim for 30 minutes, we will switch off the flame and let the biryani rest for 10 minutes before opening the lid. We will gently mix the rice and chicken, taking care not to break the grains. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comments. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.